Hello, my smarty learners. Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm your host and host back again with another smart topic. And the host welcomes you all in Learnsmart's EVS classes. Learners, today we are going to learn about the most common and most necessary thing we need to survive on Earth. And what is that? Food? No. Clothes? No. Then it must be house. Nah. Then what? These all things are necessary for us to live. But the most necessary thing to live is water. Water is one of nature's most important gift to humans. Water is a necessity for survival on Earth. So, today we are going to learn about water. So, let's begin the session. Learners, first we learn about water and its usage in daily life. Water is very important for all of us to live. We all get water from rain. Rainwater fills water in ponds, rivers, seas, and lakes. Children, now take a glass of water and note that water has no color, it's transparent, it has no smell, no taste, and no shape. We all get drinking water from the taps at our home. And remember, we should always drink clean water. We need water in every condition. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, farming, etc. So, let's learn about the usage of water. We all need water to live. Water is needed to do many things that are important in our daily life. We need water for drinking purpose. Water is used for cooking and bathing also. We need water for washing clothes, utensils, and many other things. But the question is, from where we get water? What are the sources of water? Come, let's learn. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. It fills rivers, lakes, ponds, seas, and oceans. Some water goes into the soil, which is called underground water. People dig wells, tube wells, and hand pumps to get underground water. Learners, we all learned about water, its usage, and its sources. But I said earlier that we all should drink or use clean water. But in the rainy season, tap water sometimes becomes dirty. And drinking dirty water makes us sick because it has germs in it. And if we find the water dirty, then we should first clean it. And for clean it, we can follow the following ways. We can boil water. Boiling water kills the germs in it. We can clean water by using water filters. And nowadays, electrical water purifier is used homes to clean water. These water purifiers are connected to the tap. Learners, Cleaning process is easy now. So next time, clean water with using these techniques and then use clean water. And you all must save water because water is very useful for all of us. We must collect rainwater in buckets, drums, and plastic tanks. And this water can be used for bathing, washing clothes, cleaning house, and watering plants. Now let's take a short recap of what we learned today. Water is very important for all of us to live. We get water from rain that fills lakes, rivers, seas, oceans, and ponds, etc. And water has no color, no shape, no smell, no taste, and it is transparent. We all need water for drinking, cleaning, bathing, cooking, and washing, etc. Rain is the main source of water that goes into the soil, which called underground water, and people get water from wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. We can boil water, use water filter or electronic water purifier for clean water. And we must save rainwater that can be used for bathing, washing, cleaning house and watering plants, etc. So learners, that's all for today. I really hope that you all really liked today's video and learned well about water and its importance. If you all really like this video, then give a thumbs up and share it to your near and dears. And subscribe our channel Learnsmart and show some love and support. You all can follow us on our Facebook page, our Instagram account, and our Telegram account via the links provided in the description box below. And now, learners, it's time to leave. But we will meet again in the next video with another smart topic. Till then, take care of yours and your near and dears.